Good morning. We're about to head to a sound and audio shop just to see if I can get some ideas on what to do about this tragedy. If you have a square body, don't cut shit up unless it's gone, okay? If it's rusted all the way through everywhere, you can cut it up all you want. But this was a nice dash. They chopped up the radio hole, they cut up both speaker holes. Now I gotta figure it out. Anyway, I'm gonna talk to them, see what they think about filling in the space, and then yeah, today I'd like to get the dash cleaned up enough at least to put the dash mat on, preferably to put the dash pad on and the gauge bezel. I'm probably gonna cut that out, but there was a long pause between me saying the and gauge bezel. I don't know why. All right, I'm just trimming this thing out to fit. Long ways to go on that side. Did that just happen on camera? Damn it. Well, we are where we are. So yesterday I got done mounting up the two speakers, got my dash pad down, laid it in, everything looked pretty good. I only have two of the dash pad clips, so we are where we are. We'll have to wait for those to come in, and then we will start again. I think we got a handful of problems with this dash. Obviously the driver's side's cut so bad that it's not even connected, so it's warped a little bit over there. Passenger side is warped from getting cut on. The speakers did fit. It looks like they'll be fine underneath the dash pad. So I guess in the next video, probably, we will hopefully get all the AC vent stuff in, hopefully get the dash pad clips in, get that all laid out, get the dash pad properly in for the first time in years now. And that's gonna really clean up the truck. And then after that, all we'll have left to do is put in the radio and we'll be there. So I guess we get to add a windshield to it. We were going to do the windshield anyway because of the other crack, a couple of scratches from old windshield wipers. But yeah, add to the list. All right, till next time, we'll see you later.